latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Facebook has denied allegations of bias over applying hate speech rules in India. Facebook India Vice President and Managing Director Ajit Mohan said the social media platform is non-partisan and denounces hate and bigotry in any form. The statement comes after the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology summoned Facebook representatives on September 2nd. The Parliamentary Committee summoned Facebook representatives to discuss the alleged misuse of the social media platform. Facebook officials summoned over allegations that the US social media platform had failed to act against some BJP leaders on hate speech. A media report claimed that Facebook failed to act against the controversial post by the ruling party politicians. The media report claimed that Facebook violated its own rules on dealing with hate speech in favor of some individuals, including those associated with the BJP. Ankhi Das, head of the Facebook's public policy, reportedly opposed acting against a controversial post by a BJP leader. Ankhi Das has reportedly justified her actions, saying that acting against prominent BJP leaders will affect Facebook's business prospects in India. Some senior officials in the Facebook said to have supported Ankhi Das, saying that it was not an individual decision. Some employees belonging to the minority community in the FB were reportedly upset over inaction against hate speech by BJP leaders. Ajit Mohan denied the allegations and said that Facebook denounces bigotry in any form.
Facebook has been accused of bias in the way it enforces its policies regarding hate speech. We take allegations of bias incredibly seriously and want to make it clear that we denounce hate and bigotry in any form. Facebook is and always has been an open, transparent, and non-partisan platform where people can express themselves freely.
Ajit Mohan further added that there is no place for hate speech on Facebook.
Many questions have been raised specifically about implementation of the company's policies regarding hate speech. There is no place for hate speech on our platform. We have an impartial approach in dealing with the content and are strongly governed by our community standards. We enforce these policies globally without regards to anyone's political position, party affiliation, or religious and cultural belief.
Ajit Mohan said Facebook will continue to remove the objectionable content posted by public figures in India when it violates companies' community standards. He further added that individuals who are designated as dangerous are removed from the Facebook services altogether.
Facebook's commitment to India and its people is unwavering. Our aim is to be an ally for India where our platforms preserve the pluralistic character of democracy by offering the freedom for people to express themselves and for entrepreneurs to build new things while also protecting society from broader harm. Our evolving policies take into account local sensitivities, especially in a multicultural society such as India. An example is the inclusion of caste as a protected characteristic in our global hate speech policy in 2018. Individuals who are designated as dangerous are removed from Facebook services altogether.
Mohan said Facebook has made significant progress in removing hate and harmful content over the past few years and continue to make efforts to combat hate speech. The Facebook India Vice President said his company is open to engagement with all parties, whether political or otherwise.